waves today, just little tranquil. It's so calming all the same. So why do I paint the sea? Because I must have salty blood or something. Like, I'm just literally drawn to the sea, and I know so many of you are too. And I think it's because the sea is like, it just brings so much. It like speaks to our natural instincts, but it can bring healing, it can bring energy, it can bring strength, it can bring serenity. And just when we're by the sea, we just feel so much like calmer and more relaxed. And it's just a great, great place to be. So naturally, wherever I am is where I get inspired by. So if I'm at the beach, then that's where I get inspired. So the waves that I paint are inspired by the wild waves that roll in off the North Sea on these beaches around the cliffs that we live. So my house on the cliffs is literally just gets battered by the wind in the winter. But I'd also be inspired on days like this as well, just literally being by the sea. So every painting that I create has a story, as you may know by now. So I brought this one today because I wanted to share this story with you, and it's called Ocean's Glory. And it goes, let's dance in the glory, let's delight in the waves, let's write a new story about love, the power it gave. Let's sing with the ocean, let's unite at the shore, let's live with hearts open, for that is what we are here for. So I think the message would be just literally find your peace, come to the ocean, and open your heart to all that it brings you. And I hope that my paintings and the ocean bring you so much joy. Till next time, bye!